Video, I'm gonna show you how I transformed this bright, beautiful, vibrant orange colored hair into this. So this is how the hair originally looked. And see, I'm a big fan of just redying and repurposing hair. I don't like to throw it away. I usually wear like the same wig about 2, 3, 4 times, and I always revamp them and make it look like a brand new wig, which is what I'm going to show you guys how I did today in one step. I recorded this part, but I didn't. But to protect the lace, I went in with the Got To Be Freeze Tag spray and sprayed about 5 layers on the lace, let it dry, and then sprayed another layer. I dyed this hair using the watercolor method, and this is probably my first time using it, like officially using it. And I went in with these 2 dyes right here. These are the 2 favorite brands of mine that I love their dyes. Like, I swear by these dyes, especially the Kiss one. I took the Adore one and I poured the entire bottle inside of this boiling hot water. Make sure that your water is boiling. You can see the steam coming out of my pot. That's how you know it's boiling hot. Okay, and I emptied out the bottle. I didn't leave any trace of that dye inside the container. Just to make sure that the dye is what I want, I dipped the tips of the hair into the water just to, like, you know, take a guess of how the hair is gonna look. But then I realized like it wasn't as bright red as I want, so then I went in with the Kiss Colors dye. And I used about 75% of that bottle. Since I've never done this method of dyeing before, I was so nervous. Like, I did not want to put the top of the wig in the water because I was really afraid that the lace was gonna stain, even though I already, like, you know, did all the 5 layers of Got To Be spray. But I was just nervous. But after a while, I just said F it, like, I'm gonna do it. And since it's a watercolor method, I left the hair in the water for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll take it out and rinse it and then put it back in the dye and add more dye as I go from the whatever was left over in the bottle, just to make sure that the hair still was vibrant and that I didn't wash it out when I was rinsing it in the water. And this is the result of the watercolor method. As you can see, it is bright red. So that means my color was achieved. This is after I already flat ironed it and hot combed it and pressed it out. I've had this hair for about 4 years and you can still see the shine in it. I've bleached it, I've dyed it countless times, and the hair is still holding up. This is some good quality. Okay, so now we're gonna do my favorite part of this whole entire process. We've done the dyeing, I've done the hot combing, I've done the flat ironing, I've done all of that. Because I want to cut off some of the lace because I kind of stained it and stuff. So this is what it looks like so far. So I'm gonna take my favorite glue of all time, you guys know, which is my Bold Hold Active. I'm a pin. Y'all know how I usually lay my wigs. Like, this is nothing new. Do 1 layer. I'm only gonna do 1 layer because I don't plan on keeping this hair in for too long. Okay, so I already cut off some of the lace, the excess lace. So now I'm just gonna try and work on my baby hairs. I wanna get my wax stick right quick, and then we're gonna mold these baby hairs. See, like, working with red hair usually is kind of tricky, but it's cool. So I'm just going to take my comb, and I'm only gonna do a couple of baby hairs, nothing crazy. So I'm gonna put my wax stick right here. comb it out the way. I'm gonna take spray. I have two. I have both the Got To Be spray and then this one, the bedhead. It really doesn't matter. I'm gonna go in with this Got To Be because I'm really just trying to finish it and throw it away. Oh, shit, I just did the bedhead. My lip right now. I'm having it like, I just hate when my lashes don't want to cooperate. Okay, I'm gonna try not to pay too much attention to it, but pretty much this is my look for today. What I'm about to do is I'm gonna lay down my hair. I'm gonna put some wax. I'm gonna put some concealer just to define this part. So I have my LA Girl Pro Conceal. I want to take a eyebrow brush like this. Okay, as you can see, that like brighten up the part because it sure was like gone. And then I'm gonna take my wax stick. I'm just gonna put it at the top of the hair. Now I'm gonna go over it with my my hot comb just to make sure everything is flat. But my hot comb is plugged up in my bathroom, so y'all won't see that process. And then I'm going to take my Bio Silk. And I'm only gonna take a little bit and rub that through my hair, just to give the hair some shine. Now, I wanted to cut these ends. Like, I want them to be pretty blunt. That's what I'm gonna do. So far, this is what the color is giving. So I'm gonna go add my final touches. We're gonna come back and we're gonna close this out. Let me go flat iron my hair and hot comb it and all of that, and I'm gonna be right back. This pretty much sums up this video. Just get ready with me. This is how I just got this bright fire engine red hair. I cut the ends just so that it could, like, you know, look a little bit more thicker. And I really love this hair. Like, I just love this hair. I've been really trying to do like this fire engine red, and my inspiration was Nicki's hair from a while back, and it was just bomb. Like, it was just bomb. Like, it was just bomb. So I wanted to recreate it, and I think I did that. But this is how the ends of the hair look. Like, this hair was orange. This hair was orange, and I've dyed it fire engine red. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is Get Ready With Me and me doing my hair right quick and just showing you how I transformed this hair from orange to red, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think I slayed this look. I think I did. Like, I think I did. But stay tuned for more videos with me. Make sure you go check out my vlog. I just posted a weekly vlog, which I'm going to be doing more often. So just tune into the one I posted a couple days ago. And then also just stay in tune with me, okay? Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Everything will be listed down below. And also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on my videos, and just show me some love. And with that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.